two things that you need to do before you actually file an apex proceeding for utility patent infringement on Amazon. Hi, my name is Derek Fahey, and this is going to be a video about two things that you must do before filing an apex proceeding on Amazon for utility patent infringement. So first off, an apex proceeding on Amazon is a way to deal with utility patent infringement. Apex stands for Amazon Patent Evaluation Express Program, and essentially it's a way you can actually have a third party, neutral third party, decide whether or not a product that's being sold on Amazon, whether it's an ASIN or multiple ASINs, is infringing on utility patent. But before you actually file that apex proceeding and push that button and submit it, you need to make sure you do two things. The first one's pretty simple. The first one, you need to actually purchase the product that you think is infringing on your patent. And the reason why you have to actually purchase the product is because of the second thing. The second thing that you must do before filing an apex proceeding on Amazon is an infringement analysis. I highly recommend it. Legally speaking, it should be done before filing a lawsuit for a variety of different reasons. But when you purchase the product, you can have it shipped to yourself, or if you don't want the competitor to know that you're purchasing it, ship it to your uncle or your auntie or whoever. Just get it shipped. And then you actually have to analyze the product to see if it actually infringes on the patent. That's called a patent infringement analysis. Now, typically, you need a patent attorney to do that. And a patent infringement analysis will take the actual device that's being sold and then look at the patent claim and see if the device infringes on each and every single element of at least one claim of that patent. Now, why is that so important? Well, if you're going to file a lawsuit, you actually are required to perform a reasonable investigation. The reason why you need to do that is because patent litigation is costly, and the courts don't like when people file bogus or frivolous lawsuits for patent infringement because it costs money and it's a waste of the client's time, judicial resources, etc. So they require what's called a reasonable investigation. Now, likewise, if you're going to file an apex proceeding, you need to investigate if this product's actually infringing. I've actually thought things were infringing based upon what I saw on the actual marketing material that I saw from the particular ASIN. I thought it was infringing on a particular patent, and when I purchased it and we did a thorough analysis, it actually was not infringing. So you need to make sure that it's actually infringing. And one of the downsides is if it's not infringing, is the person that has been accused. If you go ahead and file the apex proceeding, that person can actually file a lawsuit called a complaint or a deck action, which is a declaratory judgment seeking that you're not infringing. And they actually may file a validity challenge saying that your patent is actually invalid, and now you have to actually deal with that, which could be an issue for any potential licensees you actually have. So why is that not good? Well, if somebody else files a lawsuit saying your patent is not valid, they may actually choose the jurisdiction that they want to litigate in. They may choose litigation that's closer to them, more convenient for them, and you may have to go to that jurisdiction. Now, the courts actually, many times will actually hear a case where the defendant, in this particular case, the patent owner is at. But there have been rulings that district courts have actually found that by filing an apex proceeding, the patent owner actually subjected him or herself or the business self to jurisdiction in the jurisdiction of the accused. So you may not want to be litigating in that jurisdiction, so be careful. Before you file an apex proceeding, buy a product, make sure you actually do a proper infringement analysis so you're not dealing with a court that you don't want to be dealing with, and do the right thing, do the analysis, make sure that if you're going to be making these allegations, make sure that you have a good argument to show that you're not infringing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions about the Apex proceeding, just let me know. Happy to help. My name is Derek Fahey. I'm a patent and IP attorney with the Plus IP firm. Thanks for watching.